Good morning, everyone. Our today's topic is determiners. Determiners, you will get question in the form of fill in the blanks with suitable determiners or prepositions. So you should know what are determiners. There are many sentences like he is a boy, this man is my neighbor, his birthday falls in October. In all these sentences, we are using determiners. Now, practically, I am going to tell you what type of determiners are being used in a sentence. Mostly, the students choose articles a and the, but there are many more determiners. So, the first type of determiners is first form is articles. Articles, as you all know, are determiners. There are three type of articles: a and the. Right? So we will discuss it afterwards. First I am going to tell you the types of determiners. The second type of determiners are possessives. Possessives. Now what are possessives? Possessives are like his, her, their, my, this is my room, its, are. Fine. So where we get the possession of something, those are possessives. Then the third type of determiners, these are numerals. As the name suggests, numerals means numerals are definite also, like 1, 2, 3 and so on, and indefinite also. Indefinite when we don't know the quantity, so like few, a few, the few, more, many, all, both, etc. So these are numerals. Then the fourth one is interrogative. As the name suggests, it interrogates the other person. Question form, like which, what, whose. Fine. So these are interrogatives. Then the fifth type, demonstrative. Now what are demonstratives? Yes, the name is suggesting, like this is my book, these, those, that. Fine. And the sixth one are quantitatives. Now what are quantitatives? In which we are told about the quantity which cannot be measured, like many, plenty, enough, little, a little, the little. Now we will take the determiners side by side. In this video, I am today sharing you the articles, right? We will concentrate on articles, rest I will discuss afterwards. So article a and the, from the beginning of the English language, when you are studying English in your lower classes in 6th, 7th, 8th, you have been reading articles. You all know there are three types of articles, a and the. A and an are used for just one thing, right? But I want to specify where a is used and where an is used. Most of the people, they say that with consonant we get a. Now, not consonant, any consonant we can't consider, consonant sound. So, consonant sounds have article A in front of it, like I am a boy. Fine. And an is used when there are vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Now these are vowel letters. Most of you say that in front of vowel letters we put an, but it is not so. We have to consider the sound like a, e, u, o. These are the sounds. To differentiate, I must give you an example. You just see, I ate dash egg. Yes, egg. So, an. Right? Mohan went to dash university. Mohan went to dash university, a university. Now why a is used in front of you? Because it is producing sound of y, you. If we write it in Hindi or Punjabi, it is written u, y, university. It is not university. Fine. So we have to see the sound which is being produced. Then in an, we are discussing an and a. One more example, Mr. Sham is dash SHO. Now S is consonant sound or vowel sound? S is consonant letter, but it is producing the sound of a vowel sound, SHO. It is beginning from A, so an. Right? So this is the difference between a and an. Then the third article is the, which is used for the specific thing. Any specific thing. Specific thing and directions. Directions are also specific. Then mountains, ranges. Those are also specific. So mountain ranges like the Himalayas. So these directions, the east, the north, the west. Then other specific things which you want to particularly highlight in your speech, there we use the. Then in most of the abbreviated names of the states and cities, abbreviated names like the UAE, right? Abbreviated names of states and countries, we use the sound. Fine. Then the newspapers like the Tribune, the Indian Express. Then the historical building like the Taj Mahal, right? Historical buildings. So all these things we use the. Nationalities, workplaces, the. So this is all for articles. Thank you.